Now, just be dancing. Be dancing.
So what is it now? Don't
stop now. Snap, be dancing. I have made it. I have made it. I have made it. Look at it. I made it to the palace.
Hey!
As one of the girls to meet the prince.
Abigail,
Clear your mouth. Clear your mouth. Say queen.
Queen Abigail. Sister, from now on, I've changed your name from Abigail to Odibese.
You have a place in the palace.
Sister, give me the work.
You have a place in the palace.
The queen. Ascending. Oh, hey, you will go. Sister, let's follow it up. From today onwards. Mama, I made it. I made it to the palace. Mama, I made it.
Get out. Why did you touch me? Eh? Because you made it, I want the girl that will enter into the palace. I should now run away for you. Is that? Touch me again and see what I will do to you. Anofia. You made it. Juliet. What is it?
I failed.
Hey! You didn't make it?
No.
Wait, I'm sorry, but I made it.
Let me not hear my name from your mouth again. Did you hear me, this stupid girl? Let me not hear my name from your mouth again. What is it?
Let me see your letter. Eh? I want to check something. Just let me see. Hey.
Mama.
Ashaya. Let me see how you will make it again.
Mama, why did you tear the letter now? They told us to bring it to the village square on Saturday morning. Mama, it's not fair now.
Let me see how it will be possible. Come on, now, get inside that house and continue with your chores.
Mama,
you think I
don't know that this girl is dating that Mr. Emeka? Because it's among the committees in the palace. That's why they gave her. After everything I did in the palace, they did not choose me and they chose this.
Yeah, go.
Go inside. Go inside, Justice. Let me see you make it.
Oh, Juliet, why didn't you make it now?
Mama, it's not my fault. It's not my. After everything I did in the palace, they not choose. It's not because of Mr. Emeka that they chose her. It's not because of you. See this girl. This girl is very wicked.
How am I going to be the future mother of the queen of this village?
Finally, you're going to the palace.
Yes, sir.
Look at you. No, I will fly to the palace. I told you once the prince comes back that he is going to marry me.
You said it. My sister, whatever today, we must win this contest. So
Before,
see how poor we are now. If you eventually win the house of the prince, we are made.
We have made it. We have made it. See, you know what? Leave the rest to me. Okay, no, check me out. Iru Kanazo. Iru Kanazo. I see when I enter that palace, hey, even the priest will bow for me. I'm telling you that he cannot resist you. For where? He can. How can he resist me? Don't worry. I am going to be the queen of this place.
Yes, sister, you have all it takes.
What are you saying?
It is just prayers.
We are here for you.
Just imagine yourself when you be parading like the queen.
Let me just describe it. By the time I come into that palace, hey, Her Royal Majesty, Desi, let me walk like the Lord.
You will
the prince is yet to see you.
You have my fasting and praying. I'll be praying in the morning.
My daughter,
Mama,
you don't know how proud you've made us. That shows that your father's prayers to the ancestors are working.
Mama, the way you are calling the working is too small. It is extra working.
I'm
telling you, Mama, it is working because as I'm here now, Mama, I am so excited. As it stands, the only thing you can perceive from me now is Queen. Queen. Queen.
Ne.
Queen.
Ogo Prince. Ogo Prince. Ogo Prince.
Ijia, Mama. I can't wait.
Mama
mo.
Nemo.
Mama mo.
Omwalita.
Mama mo.
Mama Achi andi oba achi.
Hey, Chimo. Here is your food. I said let me put it in a tray to serve you like a queen that you're about to become.
Hey, Mama. You gave birth to sensible children. Ebi, you are very, very sensible. I know. But you see this food, I cannot eat it. I am excited. The excitement in me is way higher than this food you brought me. Even if somebody shoots me a gun right now, Mama, it will not enter. My excitement will bulletproof.
Let me tell you, there's nothing that will make you not to win that.
Mama,
thing. You're already the queen.
Thank you, Mama.
Because amongst all the girls that will come there, who is more beautiful than my Marita? Iru dear. None of them, Mama. Didn't fachalache.
Oh, Chimo.
Wait, that reminds me. When are you people entering?
Yeah, Mama, on Saturday here.
On Saturday, Mama, we are just 6 girls. 1 fine girl, 5 ugly girls.
Monkey banana.
Monkey. Going banana. Wait, you know what? This will make me to tell your father. Call fire, where fire.
Mama.
I
am telling you. You say I must.
No,
I have won.
She has won.
Hey, don't just calm
down.
Where is the food, though? Not here. Sister, this is the only food you have in this house. Why, Kwana? What about the noodles? Here, what's your noodles? There's no noodles in this house, so. Ha! Okay, he's bringing in Aki so that you use it and take it.
Pankanel.
Mbamba,
walk. You see why I said I will do everything possible to be the queen of this land? How long are we going to continue suffering like this now?
Sister, you don't have to complain again because our prayers has been answered. Oh?
Sister, here they not too.
Hey.
You are drinking the last that you drink your life.
Put it inside.
Okay.
Yes, so sister, this will be the last time you ever take this kind of food again.
Yes.
Once you enter inside that palace, no coming out. Chai. Oh, Nemo. Yes, sister.
You see why I said I love you so much? You see, by the time I become the queen of this land, hey! Do you know what we are going to be eating? Fried rice, coconut rice, salad,
and the shawarma.
Shawarma.
Sorry, shawarma is the same thing.
Intercontinental dishes.
When sister, if you're eating all this food, don't forget also. You eat more and bring it.
Don't worry, I'll bring it in. This is the last gari I will ever soak in this house. This is the last gari I will ever soak in this house. Don't worry.
I thought you never wanted to.
I am hungry, my sister. Abu Jimbad.
Oh, my elders, I want to specially thank you all for the wonderful coordination. The efforts you all made in ensuring that this audition becomes a successful one. My joy knows no bound. I am particularly grateful because there was no bias. Emeka, my special thanks goes to you because as the secretary of this noble committee, you have done well.
More than wonderful.
May the gods continue to be with you. I was made to understand that single-handedly you made sure that there was no rigging whatsoever. Thank you.
Whatever I did was for the good of the community.
Even at that, you are a good man. That is why it was possible. And to my elders, I want to say a big thank you to all of you for your wonderful contribution. And I think we need to have some merriment. Because it is not an easy thing for my son to return from overseas with a beautiful wife waiting for him already. I think this calls for a celebration.
Yes.
Your Highness, you sent for me.
Oh, yes, I did. As you can see, the elders are in a meeting as regards the competition that I told you. I want you to go to the kitchen to find out if food is ready. Let them be served. I think there is need for them to celebrate.
Chief Security Officer is actually doing wonderfully well.
Oh, yes. I think the secret is because he's educated. Yes.
Igwe, on a serious note,
why are you saying that?
Because he's a handsome young man. Looking at him, he's a very handsome young man. And the girls will be in disarray. Are you sure they will not step out of line? They will be the girls will be confused. He's so handsome. But, oh, come on.
He's only handsome, but he's as tall as myself. The
Let us not preempt what will happen.
I know.
This is your thing. Why are you so wicked? You and your daughter. What has she done to you that made you to tear the letter of invitation? Give it to her.
Emeka, if you finish ranting, in fact, if you finish your sermon, you go back to your house. Ina Bedu, Amara, you see that place you are kneeling, eh? Go back there and continue with your stupid prayer. No food for you in this house. Enania.
Mama, I'm sorry, but I didn't do you anything.
See, I don't have your time. It's not even you I'm here for. See, Mr. Emeka, if you know what is good for you, please just shut up and get out of this place. Did you hear me? Wow. This is a family matter. Don't come and include yourself, oh. I will insult you, and my father. I will insult you.
I swear, if you ever insult me, I will insult my younger sister to beat you mercilessly. Are you stupid? Why are you so wicked, you and your mother? Why should you treat this girl like this? What's wrong with you? Now listen attentively. They were instructed that anyone that treats these girls badly should be reported to him because they are potential queens. Yes. You better be careful.
Hey, that is why you have been doing what you're doing with her. You think we don't know? Or you think the Igwe will not know? Don't worry.
It's okay.
Soon, it will come out to the open.
Emeka, you are now threatening us somewhere. So bad, Juliet, let us go inside.
Yeah, you can continue your rubbish here. You can follow your husband. See the chair. So he lays well for you. Continue, stupid girl. Follow him.
Madam God.
Madam
God. It's okay. You don't have to cry. I will talk to Igwe and I'll get you another little invitation.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
My daughter.
Papa.
I am so happy for us. You see, the gods of the land have begun to answer our prayers.
Thank the gods.
Papa, first thing tomorrow morning, you need to kill a fowl for the gods.
Oh, are you to remind me of that?
Papa, if it is possible, you kill a goat. A cow. You can even sacrifice a human being to thank the gods.
It has not gotten to that.
No, Papa, we have to thank the gods.
No, actually, I will kill something. But that is not a problem. Never worry yourself, never mind.
Okay.
Whatever is possible for me to do, I will do it. To see that you succeed in whatever you want.
Thank you,
in your
Papa.
life.
Thank you.
I can go any length. As far as that is concerned.
Papa.
Okay, see, because that is one thing. It's not a challenge, but I'm looking at this the king brought one security and a young man, handsome man. And I am so convinced that the king brought him just to tempt you people. Yes, to try you people if anyone will fall for him. And I want you to take your eyes off him. Charlie, stay away from him. Him and you can lady, being a very handsome man, you ladies are equally beautiful. So the king wants to set you people up. But you will show him that you are a daughter. The daughter of a special man. Therefore, I want you to stay away. This is one of the benefits you will receive for having a father that is a member of the cabinet.
You will continue to be a member of the cabinet, Papa.
No,
that is why I am happy to have you as my father. Thank you for the information.
Exactly.
Papa, that shouldn't worry you. Look at me very well now.
I know what
your daughter can only smell and see big things. Oh. Why will I smell a gate man? I go chop handsome. Give it time the handsome. Papa, I'm smelling the prince. As I'm here now, I can even perceive the prince. Papa, don't worry yourself.
Sister, you need to listen to Papa. Anytime you see that guy in the palace, if it's possible, close your 2 eyes. Don't even see him at all so that he will pass. Because if they might have brought him to the palace to confuse all of you. Don't fall victim.
You want her to close her 2 eyes when the boy is passing. How will she see other people? Other good people. It's not that she understands what you mean.
Hey, sister. Let me go inside and join Mama so that we'll prepare something very suiting for the soon-to-be queen.
Come. You have sense. You have big sense. Papa,
My prince, I love you.
I don't love you. What is it?
But I love you.
I don't want you. Leave me alone, please. Do you get it? Leave me alone.
Please don't leave me. I love you.
I said I don't want you. I don't like you. I don't love you. Leave me alone. What is the problem?
But I love you. Please don't leave me. I'm begging you.
Are you okay? Are you insane? Leave me alone. Hello? Right?
What exactly is going on here?
My king, I don't know what's her problem. I don't want her. I don't like her. Tell her to leave me alone, please.
Young lady, what is your problem?
My king, I'm in love with the prince and I want to marry him. I'm begging you.
You did not make it among the young girls that came to the palace. Leave him alone. He can never marry you.
No, I won't leave him.
I have spoken.
I won't leave him. No.
I said shut up. You didn't hear what he said?
I won't leave him.
I don't want you.
No, I won't leave you.
I said leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
What is your problem? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
Leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
I will hit you. Leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
Leave me. Hold on, please.
Harry.
This one you appear like this. What is wrong?
I had bad dream.
Dreams?
Yes. And in that dream, I was a prince. A lady was after me. She wanted me to marry her.
In your dreams, you were a prince. And a lady was after you for you to marry her.
Yes.
Well, that's by the way. When last did you take your typhoid drugs?
What has that got to do with my dreams?
Because it's only this kind of sickness that can cause you to have this kind of dreams. Now look at it. Having a dream where you're a prince and where a woman is after you for you to marry her. No, just look at the charms. You know, I know your plans. you like women too much. And don't tell me you have eyes over all these girls that are coming in. And make sure you don't put anyone into a family way.
Is that an insult or what?
I
I don't like this, please. I don't want it. Please.
Oh. You know what? I had come to discuss a thing with you.
I don't want to discuss anything with you. You can go back to your duty post.
Alright.
You're on night shift. Go to your duty post, please.
It's alright.
Yes, go.
It's alright. I've had.
I said go. How do you? Go. How do you? Go.
Prince.
Yeah, how do you?
As you can see, we've come to the final part of this contest. And these maidens here, they happen to emerge as the finalists. As a matter of fact, they are going to move into the palace today, as demanded by Igwe of Fokansi.
Yes.
From there, they will be selected according to the custom of land. Yes. I hope they are all complete. Are they complete?
It's here. It is remaining one person.
One person?
One person? Who? These beautiful ladies here represent each village, and the committee of this competition made sure that no village was left out. So I urge you ladies to go inside the palace and make your village proud. That is it. And whosoever wins the heart of the prince becomes our next queen.
Oh no! You have spoken well. The boss is here. You can now move to the palace for the beautiful contest.
Zimbabwe, Kuheji, Amawanyo, Yeziwan Yedioka, Soso Yakanacho, Odozebayo, Obi Nawayo, Yezibawa, Kuheji, Amawanyo, Manu Gige Pwere, Ige Pwere, Yeziwan Yedioka. Soso Yakanacho, Odozebayo, Obigwe, Odosako, Nkwanu Gige Pwere, Nkwanu Gige Pwere. Ezibawa, Kuheji, Amawayo, Nkwanu Gige Pwere. Gige Pwere.
This is glamorous. I never knew we have extremely beautiful maidens like this in this community.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
Please feel free, feel at home. Harry, where are the others?
They're in the house.
Please go and bring all of them so that we'll begin with the introductions.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Highness. Permit me to say you look handsome today.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Can I get a hug, please?
Why not?
No problem.
You're welcome.
So loose.
Please make yourselves comfortable. Feel at home. You're all welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
And your palace is so beautiful, it will suit me perfectly.
Oh, you can say that again.
You wish.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Just make yourselves comfortable, okay?
Of course, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Well, like I said, you are all welcome to the palace of your land. And I want to say that we're excited to have you in our midst. You've all introduced yourselves. Now it is the turn of my palace workers to introduce themselves to you. Harry, over to you.
Thank you, Your Highness. Well, ladies, you all are welcome. My name is Harry Ndukwe. I'm the Chief Security Officer in this palace.
Next.
Mike Ofodle, one of the palace guards. You are welcome.
My name is Johnny Lo. I'm one of the palace guards. You're welcome.
Umu babes, you are welcome. You people are welcome. My name is Ogolo Martin Sogor Akatambo, aka Bomboy, the chief chef of this palace.
What? Did I hear you say chef?
Yes, chef. Somebody that is cooking food that Igwe is eating. Can't you see our Igwe food also? Even the one you people are going to eat, I'm the one preparing it. Yes. You got like yeah.
My name is Janet Johnson. I'm the chief maid.
Janet what?
Johnson.
It's not Janet Jackson.
My name is Ogachukwu Madu. I'm one of the maids. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, we shut up. We want to say thank you. I mean, on behalf of the girls.
What? Who made you our leader?
We want to say thank you for having us at the palace. Thank you very much, my king.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. I want to urge all of you to know why you are here. I want to let you know that you are duty-bound to maintain peace and cordiality, for that is the only way you can climb higher in this contest. Having said that, I want to let you know that the prince will be here any moment from now to make his choice. Oh yes. And I want us to know that whatever you want in terms of food and drinks, in fact, anything that is going to give you comfort until the end of the 1 month you're staying here, is in this palace. Finally, I want to crave your indulgence to the fact that fighting is a criminal offense in this palace. Anybody caught misbehaving will be evicted. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Thank you very much. We will try as much as possible to comport ourselves adequately.
What exactly is your name?
Oh, I like that part. My name is Tessie, and I came all the way from Canada for this event. Yeah. Yes, Your Majesty.
That is interesting. And where exactly is your village?
Umuoba.
Huh? Umuoba. Yes, Umuoba. Umuoba.
Oh, is that how it's pronounced? Umuoba?
Well, it's okay. You can now come into the palace.
Obigwe, Odoziako, using one year they'll call. Also, Yakana cho. Odoziabayo, Obigwe, Odoziako, Wanu Gige Quere. Ige Quere. Yozibawa, we heard you, I'm a wire. Wanu Gano Gige Quere. Wanu Gige Quere. Ezibawa, we heard you, I'm a wine. Oh, when I'm he get quit he get quit Ezibawa, we heard you, I'm a wine. Eziwine, they'll call.
I have fetched water. I have cooked. I have done all the chores she asked me to do. I don't know whether she wants me to go late to the contest. I said leave her later go to the palace now! Leave her later go to the palace. Ooh. You won't go Amara, carry the bag and go to the palace.
You said lie.
I said move. Go where? Don't go anywhere. Go where? Who will make the food I will eat? Listen to me. You will count the wrath of Igwe. I say you will count. I will make sure that Igwe pass on you and you will never survive. You will not do it. Now. See. Don't go anywhere. Let me see where you will come back. You will come back, oh! You get me Canada. You see you useless man. Both of you should be careful. Get out of this place. In fact, Emeka, leave my house. Get out of my house. Get out from this place. Leave this place. Go. Useless nothing. Nonsense. Imagine,
Why don't you calm down and unpack your things? Why are you worried about that girl?
Didn't you say calm down? Did I hear you properly? Calm down for what? If she came back from Canada truly as she said, what is she doing here? Why did she come here to compete for the heart of the prince with? I see the way she just said it. I came back from Canada. You know, I've always known that girl will be our problem. But I won't let it happen. It will not happen.
Abigail, listen to me. This is a competition. Give in your best. Who knows? Besides, the prince we're all dying for. Do you think this is the first time he's seeing one girl with fune and all that? He has been seeing all that before. And guys that live abroad, they like local champion, those rugged ones. They like our type. So why are you worried? Why are you fear?
Yes, since when I know you, now the first thing when you talk will make sense. Please. No, that's very true. How come I didn't think about it? Hey! This is good.
Yeah, so don't worry yourself. Leave her. Make sure they form her Americana they go. She go date there, she go old. Prince go leave her, go choose me.
Yeah. Auntie, you say what? Wait. No, what did I hear? The prince go choose who? See, if I slap you, now one slap I go give you, I go reset your brain factory. Slap what I go give you. Now I promise you will hear one. You not go hear anything again. Choose who? See, let me tell you. I did not come to this palace to come and drag the prince with anybody. In fact, if I see a way to bundle all of you like sardine and throw you out of this palace, that is exactly what I will do.
No, what do you mean? Abigail, what do you mean? Are you stupid? Huh? Did you bring me here? Or did I come here for you?
Yeah.
Listen, give me your best while I give you my best. What you are looking for is what I'm looking for. No cross me. Not try am.
Now, last warning I give you. That thing when you talk, no try am again. Don't even think about. Now only me and you did this room. If you do anyhow, you will see anyhow. I will just kill you. Raise this mattress, bury you on.
You are very stupid. Abigail, you be mad woman. You will kill who? See me, oh. People like say you don't know me, oh. If I give you one slap, your head go turn. This your fine face go turn, go back. Do I look like someone that is scared of you? Whatever you are, I am 10 times of it. If you want me and you die, we go die before Prince go come. I don't get where they live for. I don't get life, we go die.
If I run enter you, you don't go like yourself. If I run enter your spirit, your
conscience. Shut up! Make I. Don't even try it! I will punch you. Are they mad? You they mad? Okay. They run mad.
Now what start with this?
Make what start now? Make I come meet you. Go start.
No wahala. No problem.
You know what fight today, madam? You flex muscles. Come and fight now. Go ask people of my village. If I blow you, that I don't go to see again. They run mad. Wait see. Who you? How many powers to be sure?
You're too small. Let me save mine. Better
save it. Save am.
Auntie Canada now they
save am. Maybe no match you they make. Maybe get power.
No worry.
Save am.
Thank God I went to borrow this bag. Onyenye kwaram phone. Praise God, God will bless you. Hey, at least I have good clothes now. She borrowed me good clothes. Hey, now those girls are wow. They are so local. No, shut off your mouth, Liz. Shut off your mouth, Tessie. They are so local. Now, it is good for someone to go to school. Look at the way I was just giving them accent. Hey, I have more leverage now. I have more leverage more than those stupid girls. Ndala. Hey! Come in. Oh, you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Greetings, ma.
Greetings.
I'm delighted to inform you, ma, that lunch is served.
Oh, lunch is served? Oh, quite interesting. So tell me, what is your name?
My name is Janet Johnson.
Oh, like Janet Jackson? Oh my days! Give me high five, girl. Oh my days.
Mine is not Jackson, mine is Johnson.
I know. Johnson. Palace maiden. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so tell me, you're quite sound. Where did you school?
Abia State University, and I studied English and Literature.
Amazing! So, you are a graduate?
Yes, I am.
Ouch! Oh, you know what? I'm going to see you around, okay?
Okay.
Now get away, get away, you're ready.
Just be coming.
Go. Mwaga kwa school. Hey, Tessie. Mba. This girl. The way I am seeing this girl, she's very smart. Mba. Desi, you need to avoid her. You need to avoid her. By the time I become the queen of this land, Desi, this is your asset. By the time I become the queen of this land, you will be the first I will fire. Onyala. Who is there? Who? I will be right back. All right.
What be that? Good
morning.
You want break down the... I don't understand. You want break down this gate?
No. Gate man Biko.
Who are you?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, who are you?
My name is Amara. I'm supposed to have come with the other girls, but my stepmother delayed me.
Ah. So, what has it got to do with you coming here on time?
Please don't send me away, please. I couldn't run away from the house. They gave me plenty of housework to do. I beg you in the name of God, don't send me away. Please. I'm an orphan. Please, I couldn't run away because I had plenty of housework to do.
You're an orphan?
Yes.
Huh. And you also want to fight for the heart of the prince?
What can I do now? Please help me, please.
Oh, well, all of you girls want the prince. But it's fine, let me talk to the king, right? I'll be back. But don't knock here again, right?
Okay.
This is an expensive gate.
Okay.
Don't knock here again.
Thank you.
Good. I'm coming.
This place is fine. This place is fine.
Hey! At least even if I don't get a chance to be with the prince, let me just be inside the house and be eating ogbonge food. Hey? And stay away from my stepmother. That woman is stressing my life. God, please, help me. Help me. Come for me now. This is when I need you now.
Okay.
Harry?
Yes.
She the one?
Yes.
Igwe, please. I'm sorry. I'm an orphan who lives with her stepmother. She humiliates me all the time. She didn't want me to come because her daughter failed the first audition. I'm so sorry, sir. Please don't send me away.
It's okay, stand up. Harry,
my king,
find a place to fix her.
Okay.
I want them to be two in a room.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
I will do that, my king. You're doing
Odoze banyo, obigwe, odoze ako. Yozi wanye dioka, oso yaka nacho. Odoze banyo, obigwe, odoze ako. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ige kwerere.
Sorry, sir, you made this food?
Yes, I can't see Gogo. I prepared it.
I cannot eat it. Huh?
See?
I can't eat it.
Eat it.
She cannot eat it.
You cannot eat it.
I want something nice.
Okay, eat it. So what do you want me to do?
I want you to...
Oga, please, don't mind this silly girl. Madam, why you won't use this guy's shine? This guy early period. Just won't make her shine.
Shut up!
Get out! Shut up!
Okay, I want something nice like bacon, coleslaw, nice stuff in there.
Go slow.
It's not go slow. Okay, at least can I have bacon?
Okay, sorry. Forgive my manners. You know, I know what is beacon. Beacon. There's one at the back of this place, but the man that put it on the ground has built house there, so the beacon has left.
Can I have something nice?
Give her Gary to soup, maybe not Gary.
Do you want fufu? Do you want
what? Apple?
Yes.
I don't want apple.
Yeah.
I want something nice, okay?
It's alright. Let me go and do something for you. Okay. Let me go and look for something. Okay,
thank you.
Let me look for Canada food.
Okay,
Canada food.
Okay.
Or you can...
No, you listen to me. Whenever I talk, you shoot shit. Shut up!
Please, you people should not fight though. There's camera here.
This is nice.
Igwe is watching. Igwe is watching. No, you're going to Let me bring something else.
Igwe is watching.
Igwe is watching. There's camera here.
They can fight now.
Chef, your food is so good.
You can use this one. Surya as tool, no? Let me come.
You guys should fight.
I'm gonna pass out when I eat this food.
Shut
I can't
up.
eat
Okay, welcome. So, here is your room. And you'll be here with one of the girls because Igwe said you all should be two in a room.
Wow. This place is beautiful, oh, very fine. Jesus.
So why did you come late?
Madam, it's because of my stepmother. But don't worry, I'm happy now.
So, when you settle in, you come down and join them for lunch.
Where is the place? I'm very hungry, oh. Let me go now, Seth. I'm hungry.
Alright, just drop your bag and I'll take you down.
Okay.
Don't worry, leave it here. Follow me.
Thank
you. Nah, guys, you see, these girls make sense. I mean, those girls here, if not for what Igwe said, would have disturbed them. Seriously.
Don't dare. Already disturbance. Don't dare. But that one that came last,
yes,
I think she came from a poor background.
Yes, I saw her. You know, what this girl needs is maintenance.
Okay.
Yes, only the ego. She's beautiful, you know.
Amo, these girls needs to be disturbed. Huh? I need to get handsome. To tattoo her somehow.
If not for what Igwe said, we'll find them.
What Igwe said, will he know? Huh? How will he know? You won't. Let me tell you something now. You have to code your way smoothly so that Igwe will not see you. Don't you think so? But our prince will really enjoy when he comes back. Look at their waists. Our prince will be, one after the other. I envy him.
But before then, we need to test some of them. Yes, now, one for you, Zabo.
Tester.
Yes, we need to test some of them. Can't you see the other way? Can't you see how the other one was just looking at me?
Let me warn you. Let you not be the one I like that you're going for. Huh? See that pinot one?
Go
back to your duty. Go back to your
I got to let me tell you, see, if you choose the other one, I will choose that one.
You can't just leave everybody for this guy.
I hope this one will be okay for you.
Bros, this food no go reach me.
Eh?
Bros, this food still do. Now you cook am.
Lamina.
I beg I don't hungry, go bring more.
You see, you did not eat at home before coming.
Bros, no one understand. But give me more food. We get fufu.
Of course, we have fufu, but our soup has finished. We don't have soup again. Yes. Cheke. Take it easy. This is not Jesus' restaurant. Take it easy, Bakambabu.
Why are you eating that way?
Now I'm watching the cathedral.
Bros, thank you for allowing me enter this place. This place correct too. Very gang something. Since I just did see food. Huh? I never eat this kind of food once in my life. I need to sit and chop yourself.
Are you okay? Are you sure she's okay?
What do you have me say?
Bros.
She will finish our food before the prince come back.
Bros, no worry, I go gist you about my life later. Yeah, make I finish this food. Who give me the fufu now? You say you no get soup. I will use stew to eat it. Bring the fufu.
Get her the food.
I should bring for her?
Yes. Go bring food.
Go
bring food.
About Jesus Christ restaurant.
Shebi she want eat. Get her food.
Thank you. God bless you.
Oiji pipe, Obia. It's alright. No, quick pipe.
But you have to be careful how you eat because we're having more here. These ones are here to marry the prince. I fear for this kingdom.
Babe, what do you mean? Why should Abigail be angry? Eh? You're talking rubbish. Why should she not be angry? I mean, why would the girl treat that boy the way she did? If she didn't like the food, she should have simply said so. Listen, you girls need to learn some class and behave like humans.
Bia. Which one is we girls? Am I among?
Of course you are. Tomorrow now, you start your own. You don't show for your body so you get that.
I beg. Eh? Take it easy, oh. Is it because I'm in this house with you? Eh? Do you know me before? Do you know why I'm outside? Do you know who I know? Eh? I'm not your mate, oh. I am not on the same level with you. So respect yourself. See this girl, oh.
You know my problem with you? My problem with you is that you blab too much. No wonder they say an empty vessel makes the loudest noise. Yes? Because indeed, you're not my mate, but then you came into this palace with me to compete for the heart of the prince. What does that make you? My subordinate, not just my mate. You are my subordinate. What I tell you? All this rubbish where you they do. I can't dey bone and no means I they fear you. They hear me so. What's your problem?
Eh? What did you just say?
You heard me.
Everything you talk am again make I hear you. What did you say?
Listen to me. The fact I'm small doesn't mean you can intimidate me. Do you understand? My problem with you is that you talk too much. None of which you execute. You go beat me. You go press my neck. You go do this one. Which one you don't do? Babe, let me tell you. I don't talk. If I wanted to beat you, you would feel the beating. I wouldn't be talking. You do any, I go see any. Now king are the respect. Hey. I will drag you, go get. Beat you blue black. Wear white. My cloth don't go stain. I go beat you like snake.
Make me go. Go they talk. Make me go. I go press this on neck with the bell like tolo.
If you they talk, they press Sam. You too young. Who calls you like this? Now like this, them burn you. I be wahala. They follow you.
They clap for the person we pray for you come. They clap say king they here. Yes, they pray. They thank God. If not for this king we they here, girl, what you go see for this room?
Hey, you know by the time I am married to the prince, I was planning to treat you nicely based on say before we did one room. But you see when I married prince, you go lie down and go waka for your body. Bet my hand.
I like your dream. Me the dream they go.
You suppose like
the dream they go.
Everybody they like waiting.
I like your positivity. Don't carry me play, oh. Don't carry me play. Don't they look me like this. I go mess you up, oh.
You not even reach where
I go mess you up, oh.
You not reach where I won't carry
I go mess you up,
I go put you down waka on top of you. You too they talk because I swear it say if you intimidate me. You do anyhow, babe. I go take you outside, humble you, beat you like snake.
We don't need to go outside.
Okay.
We don't need to reach outside.
How
you know me and you did this room, eh? One day I will close eyes and I will see you. Lie down, press you down like trailer.
Now there I go show you say na pin I be. I know say you big, na balloon you be. But me na pin I be. As you try I go be pin. I go bout to power. You go scatter everywhere.
I like you.
You suppose.
I like your moral.
I don't do it before.
Girl, I go do you something. Ready for me and you for this room. Ready for me and you. I go show you.
I ready for me and you for this palace. You go serve me. You go remember this thing when I talk. You talk.
I go, babe, I go enter you. I go enter you.
So rich.
Yes, you want your car. So ya can cho. Odoze bayo. Obigwe. Odoze ako. Yes, you want your car. So ya can cho. Odoze bayo. Obigwe. Odoze ako. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ige kwerere. Ezibagwa wiheji amawayo. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ezibagwa.
Why are you the one cleaning?
Bros, the place dirty now. Normally as I eat finish, I suppose clean the table. Thank you for the food though.
No. This is not your job. We have people that do that. Why do Jane allow you to be doing this? Where is she?
Who is Jane?
Jane!
Yes, you called me.
Why do you guys allow her to be the one cleaning?
Is that why you're shouting my name? Did I ask her to clean?
What did you say? So I'm shouting at you, right? Anything they worry for her. You want make I watch you?
Let me free me now. Free me. What is it? Free me, please.
Bros, I beg no bitter. My woman she be. I beg.
See, just drop that thing. No. Drop him. I beg. I no one make anybody come here and shout for me. It happen.
Jane. So I'm now anybody. I'm now anyone, Abby.
Hey.
You know why I leave you now? I for wound you now. Shut up!
Bros, calm down. Bros, take am easy. No do this girl anything. See, make I tell you something. I come from a poor home. You see this table when I clean now. Now shaking it for me. It don't mean anything. If you say the kind of work I do for my house, you go say this one as small thing. As I did like this, I feel even sweep this full house. Nothing.
Stop him. No call here, come the form good girl. What is it? Allow him now. Why are you shouting at me? Security shout at me for what? They employed you the same way they employed me. I started working here before you. Don't forget.
Amara, go to your room now. Keep this. Let her do it. Go to your room. Do it now. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see.
Hey. Take a easy. I mean, come on for here. Come on. Now you come to say. Man, take a easy. Come on for here. Nonsense. Take a easy. What was me now?
What are you even doing here? Why did I bring you to this room? I mean, who kept you here? Who dumped you here? Why didn't you go to the other room? Listen up. I do not want you to disturb me, alright? Ew.
Sorry, sister. I will not disturb you.
Who is your sister? Who is your sister? My sister is not dirty. My sister is not dirty. Okay? Listen up. Just take your dirty stuff and put them up the wardrobe. Alright? Oh my days.
Please stop insulting me. It's not fair.
Insulting you? Who is insulting you? Listen, I don't have time for this emotional blackmail, alright? Just move your things out of my way. I don't want stench. Please.
I'll do that, but please, do not insult me. I have not done anything bad to you.
You dare not. Do you know where I came from? Canada. Is it because I'm here to compete with you over the prince? That's why you're looking down on me? Not to worry. Once the prince comes back, oh my days, I will be the only one he will dine with, because he cannot dine with you rascals. Never.
Don't worry. If he chooses you, I'll leave. But for now, please, do not kill me.
Who wants to kill you? Please, your space is that way. Like, that way.
Okay.
Ew.
Mama, leave me. What is it? What is the meaning of this? Am I now the one that made you lose the audition? Why can't you come inside the house and help me with the house chores? What is all this?
Mama, you're seeing my nails, ba? I did this nails because of this same audition. See my hair. Now, that stupid Amara is in the palace enjoying herself, and you want me to stay here and kill myself? Mama, I cannot kill myself for you. I can only do the one my strength to take me. I will not kill myself. What is it?
Hey! Juliet, so I am not your problem.
Mama, you're part of my problem. Because if you're not my problem, you will not allow that stupid, wretched looking girl to go to that palace and stay. She's there enjoying herself and I'm here suffering. Do you want me to kill myself for you?
Yeah. What do you want me to do, this girl? You did not win the audition. Simple. Go inside there and
Mama, do those. If I did not win it, then make a way for me to get there. You will not have peace in this house. You will not have peace as long as I'm not in that place competing with that stupid girl. You will never have peace. And don't disturb me again. You see those chores? Go and do it. If you cannot do it, go and call Amara from that place. Let her come and do it.
Juliet,
Mama,
look at how your mouth is running. Ta 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 ta. Simple audition, you cannot pass it. But you are here running mouth.
By the time you enter that house and wash those dishes, you know how it feels. Shebi, you allow that stupid girl to go to the palace and she's there enjoying herself. You want me to stay here and suffer? See, I will not kill myself in this house for you.
Go in there and wash those dishes.
Come and drag me now. You want me to come here and stay and suffer? Leave me alone, no.
Juliet! Juliet!
What is it?
When am I shipping Copa?
Let her come and wash the dishes. She's there enjoying herself. You want me to come here and stay and suffer myself?
Hi! God, what kind of temptation is this one now? Eh? Hi! Amara. Let me see how you will succeed in that palace. I will frustrate you. So what? Let me go and watch this.
Yeah. Let me warn you. You see that display of stupidity you put on last night? As far as we are still in this palace, don't you ever in your life try that nonsense again. Don't repeat it again. I hope I've made myself clear. Miss Kokwe, you're trying me. Oh. You're seriously provoking me. You see that nonsense you did last night? Don't ever try it again. Because if you do, this palace will be too hot for the both of us. Let's see who will get expelled. Oh, you're talking about expulsion. You're just a fool. A common fool, that is what you are. You know my father is one of the cabinet chiefs and you're here talking about expulsion. That will not happen. But let me warn you again. That is because I don't want issues. If you try and wake me up whenever I am sleeping, you will not like me. You're not going to like the other side of me. I don't get joy. Ha! Abigail, are you not ashamed of yourself? Even if you don't get sense, you don't feel borrow. You don't go die. Borrow. No, let's say the prince later marries you. How are you going to allow him to sleep at night? You want to kill him? See, as I just did like this, don't even provoke me to the extent that I will go to the Igwe and I will tell him everything. You're not going to like it. Go clear. You want to go and report? Heavy mugo na you be. And I'm warning you again. This is the last time I am going to say it. Stay away from me. You see where you sleep yesterday night? Now there will be your bed until you come up for this palace. That is where you will be sleeping. Because nothing will change. Cartoon Network. Okay. Waking me up because I'm slow. Don't worry. The next time you slow, now cigar go for your mouth. They go punish you where you do. Madu, man. See, you don't dress up again. Fine girl. Fine girl when it's not. Let's see. Borrow sense, you know go die.
Good brothers. Ije, I am happy to see you. I really want to talk to you.
Now that you have seen me, go ahead.
Ichie, please, is there any how someone could be allowed to enter the palace? Eh?
No, why do you ask?
Ichie, or is there any how you can help me? You see, my daughter and I have been having issues. She wants to enter the palace by all means. Ichie, please help me. Whatever it will take, I am ready.
God, the competition have started and there is nothing anyone can do about it.
Ichie, you and I know that if you want to do it, you can do it, Ichie. I said, in any way you want me to appreciate you, Ichie, I am ready. I am very, very ready. Ichie, you are not that too old. Eh? Don't you have strength again?
Ego, Ichie, Ego, listen to me.
Ichie, I will surprise you.
Okay, you know what? Let me see what I can do.
Okay.
I'll see what I can do.
No problem. Ichie, whatever you can do, just let me know. Oh?
I'll do that.
I'll do that. Okay, so when will I come?
No, don't worry. I would rather come to you.
Ichie! Don't help me, I'm ready. Juliet! Juliet! Oh! Come! Hey! It has happened. What happened? Hey! It has happened though. What happened? Hey! Look at me. I'm happy. Cancer.
What happened?
Do you know that I met Ichie Ibe? You know him now?
I know him now.
I met him today and he has promised to help us You are going to enter the palace finally.
Child, Mommy Shebi, I told you something could be done. Have you seen it?
You said it.
Mommy, thank you.
Thank you, my
Thank
dear.
you so much.
You're happy now.
Amara! Raka Cherem. I'm again at that palace.
Exactly.
You thought I would not come, Abi? Wait and see until I enter there. Him get make it, eh? You will regret ever coming into this world.
Do you know what? If you enter that palace, make sure that Amara is evicted from that palace. I want to see her come. Actually, let her come back and cry. Go. Don't fall my hand though.
She has been evicted already. Let me just say that the only thing now that is many for her is to pack her things. As long as the prince sees me, they go do mwagi. Eh? They go do. Can you not cause it? Mama, let me go and prepare.
You go and prepare. Get ready.
Mama, thank you. God bless you for this news.
I'm very happy now.
Go down. Well, bring it up. This way. Go down. Bring it up. Come on. Let's go. 3. Let's go. 4. Let's go. 5. Let's go. 6. Let's go. Let's go. Just take it easy. Let's go now. 8. Let's go. 9. Let's go. Go down. Let's do it.
Go down.
Let's go. 10. Let's go. All right. Next person. Let's come.
No, you can't touch me like that. You can't lay your hands on me like that. It's not possible.
Village Canada. Madam Sabi, why don't you go and let him coach you?
She didn't even talk to me like that. Don't try.
Hey, shut up. Hey, shut up.
Please, Harry, I am ready. You want to fight?
It's okay. Tessie, shut up.
Yeah,
Let me tell you something. That I'm a security or a servant in this palace does not give you the right to talk to me anyhow. Did you get it?
Oh, please.
I will give the king report on this. Oh yes. And whatever I give to him stands.
Bros,
did you get it?
If you need support to go report out, I'm standing by.
Yes, sir.
I will escort you to
Will you shut up?
Mommy, shut up!
What is the worry you said?
By the way, I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm very fit.
I don't understand. Don't be me first, you come here constant.
Eh?
Who
be this?
It's okay.
Bouncing baby.
1 minute.
Go that
right?
side!
1 minute. Alright. I will.
You will what?
I will deal with you.
Why are you even
You will
here?
say it.
Will you shut up? Deportee, shut up!
It's okay.
Deportee, shut up!
It's okay, please. It's
Yeah,
okay.
do her.
Let's go.
Take with the look you.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm very fit.
Yeah,
So sure.
Let's go.
Wow. Bend it well.
I watch you.
I beg you, stiff. Wait, don't sit down now.
Sorry to disturb your peace. Okay. Udoka.
Yeah?
Igwe wants to see you.
She don't enter Wahala.
Follow me now.
Cartoon Network.
Who be this fish?
Go and come back.
They call you.
I go shoot
Shut up,
Go and
Cartoon
come back.
Network.
Hey, it's okay. Let's concentrate and do this, right?
Okay,
let's go.
Let's go.
Take it easy. Bend it. Let's go. Bring it up.
How will the
Let's
priest
get
use you?
again.
You have used your waist.
Let's bring it up.
Sense.
Let's go again. 3.
You know what? You do me.
Hey, Ichebe. No. What you are saying is not possible. And you know it. Or did you just say it to know my reaction? Emeka, know your reaction for what? You are the secretary of the committee. Yes. I know what I'm saying. Go back and tell whosoever that sent you to me that it is not possible. It is not. This woman, Madame Egod, she's very desperate to see that her daughter goes to the palace. And why should it be so? Emeka, if Madame Egod is ready to give us money, let us collect the money and use it wisely. We have needs in our families. Be reasonable. Iche Ibe, count me off. I don't want to be involved in this. We have not collected a dime from anyone ever since this arrangement. We did not do that. And we cannot just start it now. Whosoever that failed the audition should go back home. You don't change the goalpost at the middle of the match. It's not done. I don't want to be involved. If you want to do it, go to Igwe.
Emeka.
Settle with Igwe and do it.
Emeka. You are talking to Ichiebe. Listen to me. Remember that you are tenor. You are just an ad hoc. I mean, interim secretary to the competition. Immediately the end of the competition, your tenor is gone. You go back to your imperial life. Oh, Benye. Emeka, be reasonable and wise.
I don't care. Once the competition is over, I will go home. That's no problem. But I don't want to soil my hand in this. I don't want to do that. you can go ahead and do it. Now, if you wouldn't mind, excuse me.
Emeka, you're walking out on Igwe. I mean, Ichibe. Emeka, come here. Obenyo Nonto. You remain Obenyo and die. Emeka!
Eat now. Eat tea and bread. Which kind nonsense tea and bread be this? Eh? Bomboy! Bomboy, come on!
You don't take tea and bread.
Who called me?
Now me call you.
I want chocolate tea. Do you want still tea?
Which tea? Please give me fufu and soup.
Huh? For breakfast? I mean, what else do you expect for breakfast? Fufu.
Alright.
Desi, shut up and allow the poor girl request for what she wants. My goodness!
Who is talking? Oh, please, don't speak to me.
Fake Canada.
Idiot. What is going on?
Okay, is that what you want? I'll bring it.
See, if I eat this tea and bread before 12 o'clock, hunger go wire me. But if I eat fufu and soup, I'm going to be okay. Why you laughing?
Babe, no vessel. But you see, I like your style. I like how they do you. You know they form with you, babe.
Thank you.
Or like
fake Canada.
Some people when I know, they either their face, keep them, you know them.
If I use this tea, rub your face and you can say the bad person.
Shut your teeth.
Always the one that they laugh. As I dey here like this, if I no see Prince collect, make I see food chop now. Make I for fat.
What else is alright? Let me bring the tea for you. It's obvious needs you go web. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Poverty is damn bad.
Oh, you sabi.
Ooh.
Fake Canada.
You need to tie your teeth.
Fuck up. While Harry is busy enjoying all these girls, small thing, bam, that are falling for him.
Didn't I tell you that we should try our luck? We did they done me since. Ha!
Hey guards, please, where is the swimming pool?
Through this way, get it, okay?
Thank you.
Hello. How are you?
So well.
Can I talk to you?
Okay, speak.
I just wanted to appreciate your beauty. Your beauty is equal to none in this palace. You're the finest. Yes.
Can I go now?
No. Just calm down. Can we have some time to? Can you lend me your time to, discuss one or two things?
As what? Are you mad? Have you gone bonkers? You want me to lend you my time? As what? A palace church rat? Now let this be the last time you will repeat this statement again. Am I understood? Else I will slap the hell out of you. Nuisance. Idiots. What nonsense. You want to have some time with me? You're very stupid.
This guy an idiot. If not that Igwe needed me to stay here and work for him. This I want to slap. If she slapped me now, what will I tell these people?
Hello, ladies.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
So far, so good. I want to say that you all have been doing wonderfully well.
Oh, thank you.
I want to use this opportunity to inform you that the prince will be coming next week. Yes. So I want you all to be getting ready to meet with the prince. Meanwhile, I have made arrangement with a costumier that will be giving you some wonderful outfits. Because on that day, you are all going to dress like queens. I know that when the prince comes, he would like to see you in that queenly form.
Of course, Your Majesty.
Not only that, you are going to change into another attire that is going to distinguish you from the other ladies, so that it will be easy for the prince to select the woman he wants to marry. And tomorrow being Monday, the maids will share routine for all of you so that you will take turns in the cooking and other domestic affairs of the royal family. The essence is for us to know as queens which among you will be able to cook for the king and take care of this kingdom with him in the future. Am I communicating?
Yes, Your Majesty. Shut up.
Immediately after now, you are going to swim. Because I know that when the prince comes, he is going to take turns in swimming with all of you. Oh, yes. No, the truth is, naturally, there are certain things that tickles the fancy of the prince. The essence of this competition, this contest, is for us to find out who among you will be able to meet up the desires and the demands of the prince. Who would be able to make him happy. That is the essence of this contest. And I want to assure you all that there is no partiality here. So if you don't know how to swim, you better start learning now.
I will learn, Your Majesty. Sink.
Hurry. Over to you now.
Okay. Using one year they'll call. Also ya canacho. Odosie bayo. Obigwe. Otosiako. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ige kwerere. Ezibagwa. Wiheji. Amawanyo. Ngwanu gige kwerere.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
I was coming from your house. I saw your daughter. She said that you went to Madame Oke's shop or something. I was coming there to see you.
That's true. That's true. But Iche, do you have any good news for me?
Would I say that this is a good news? Madam Ego, what we discussed can't work out too. I've tried everything I could. Virtually everything.
Hi.
Couldn't work out.
Iche, please don't say that again. Okay, wait. Let's start. Iche. This is money. This is money. I just sold my goods and I have more. I can give you some if you want it.
I want it.
My daughter will not allow me to rest in that house. Iche Biko no.
Madam Ego, see, collecting this money is not the problem, but I wouldn't like a situation I'll collect this money tomorrow. You begin to fight me that what we agreed, I did not fulfill it. And you know, it become a problem. Please, there's nothing I can do about it.
Chimo. Okay, Iche. Tell me who to meet. I am ready to meet the person.
Okay.
Tell me.
You know Emeka?
Yes, I know
Secretary
him.
to the committee.
I know him very well.
I think he may be of use. That man is stubborn. I don't see it working. But
Iche,
try your luck.
Don't worry. I will meet Emeka. Whatever it will cost me to see that my daughter enters the palace, I will do it. Okay. I will see you later, Iche.
What of very good? What of the other thing now?
Which thing?
What you promised me now?
Iche, because we had an agreement. You didn't fulfill it. You want me to give you that thing. I can come and take it.
Please give it to me. Madam God, I don't know why this woman is so desperate for her daughter to enter to that palace. This is desperation. Emeka, in this town, Emeka, again. Emeka, you look. Come, Madam God, wait. Let us see what we can do.
Don't splash me there. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
What's going on?
Oh my days! Oh my days! What is wrong with you? Huh? What others are doing? Why did you get it if you know you can't swim? Look at you. You can't swim and you're inside the water. Yeah? Mommy, can you just shut up? Will you? Somebody is drowning and all you can say. Hey, I'm not talking to you. I am not talking to you. You're so rude. Oh, so rude. So rude. Look at you. Am I talking to you? Am I talking to you? What the? Come and teach me. You're very stupid. You're very stupid. You're very stupid. You're very stupid.
Hey, lady, I don't want this, right?
Don't talk to me like that.
Hey, shut up. Do you want the prince to see you?
I don't care.
You don't care, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm taking note of this. I'm taking note of this. I am the chief security officer here, so I don't want this from you, right? Did you get what I'm saying?
You must be poking your nose into my... That was none of your business.
You have to go into the house, okay? I don't want you to continue swimming. I wouldn't want you to get drowned, right?
No. Let me rest small. I'll enter the water again. I don't want to disappoint the Igwe.
No, I insist you go
Let me try.
Amara.
Let me try. I can do it.
Hey, how can I... You want to try? How can I...
Leave here, oh!
You want to try? Leave here, oh!
You're coming back. Not giving up where I come from.
Hey. I don't want to see dead body in this water, oh.
Amara.
Go back to the village!
Okay?
Harry or whatever your name is called, you do not talk to me like I'm a child. For all I know, you're just a security guard. So you should accord me some respect. Have I understood? You get that?
Jesse, you're biting more than you can chew in this palace. And I'm not happy about it.
And what are you going to do about that?
Tessie, must you show your stupidity every second? Why on earth are you insulting him?
Oh, shit!
But Tessie, he didn't say anything bad. Would you be happy if I was dead?
Will you keep quiet? Who are you?
I don't blame any of you. I don't blame you at all. If not poverty, I wonder what would have made you girls come here, battle and fight over a prince.
Please. Bros, match break. Hold on, I beg. I use God name to beg you. Why are you categorizing all of us? See, now mommy Canada insults you. Why you they insult all of us? I beg. Anybody will insult you, use your anger face her. No carry up. Why they even talk for this one self? No use and face me.
Hey, see this one talking. Are you talking to me? Huh? I don't blame you girls at all. I'm out of here. Poor brats.
Yeah, Harry, I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you?
See, this girl is not fair now.
Oh, no, I can't. This is so wrong. I can't deal with this rubbish. Rubbish!
Chess, you're a fool.
Yo,
let's go.
Look at you.
What are you doing in this palace?
Bumper!
I'm not trying to help.
You keep quiet. Because of what they tell you say no sweet. You stick quiet. You be frog. You be frog. They say no sweet. You stick quiet with that.
And that second time, sir.
Your Majesty, you mean I should go back home?
You heard me loud and clear. I have told you that I don't want to see any of the elders until the contest is over or I have need for you. Listen, you are the only elder whose daughter is in the palace for this contest. I don't want to see any of you. Please leave.
That is where you're getting it wrong, my king. I have not come here to see my daughter. I've only come to check on my king.
It does not make any difference. I said I don't need it. Please go. And you really think I don't know you after staying with you all this while?
My king, that is why you're getting it wrong. I am not here to see my daughter.
Igwe. The little woman is here. She's waiting for you at the inner chambers.
A minute. As you can see, there is someone waiting for me already. Let me attend to her. Can you please leave?
No, no. If you say so, I will leave if you say so.
Yes, I insist. Please leave. I insist.
If you say so, let me go. Let me go.
Tell her to come to the palace.
Oh, Your Highness.
Who does he think he is? Talking to me anyhow? Huh? Anyway, I do not blame him. The next time he tries that nonsense, I am going to report him to His Royal Majesty and he's going to get sacked. Idiot.
But Tessie, what did he say? Look, don't forget we're in a competition. The prince will definitely pick just one person. Let's not sound desperate.
Will you shut up? If you say a word, I'm going to slap you. Who is desperate? Is it because I'm here? You think I don't know what I am doing? I came all the way from Canada. You're here talking to me? And you're listening, you all are listening to that over tall, stupid security guard. Not to worry. By the time I become the queen, you all will know me.
You want to slap me? So if I had died in the pool earlier, you would have been happy, all because you want to marry the prince?
How
How is that my business? If you want to die, you die. Die. Please, you know what? Just go look for your class. I'm not of the same level with you. Okay? Get away. Just go.
Wow. It's better I leave this palace before you all kill me, because if not for my stepmother, what will I be doing here in the first place? The desperation is too much.
I need to call my mother in London. Oh my days.
They don't give you resounding slap before. They don't give you slap where they reset person brain. Listen, let me warn you. This is the last time you will try this nonsense. Don't try it again. Hey, you think I don't know what you do in secrets? I dey see you. I dey see everything where you dey do. If you think I don't know, newsflash, I do.
Madam, that's your business. Do I care? You're the one that used to be nosy, so that's your fucking business. But let me warn you, Abigail, the next time you will lay this dirty hands on me again, Abigail, you will leave this palace. Yes! Babe, see. You better say you don't know me.
Come on, get your hand
up. You better say you don't know me. See that day in the Chris.
Hey!
If you slap me again, I just left you for that.
Come on, put your hand down and they talk you because I keep quiet for you since. Honey, there are people who runs this town and my father is one of them. Oh. Yes! The next time you try me, you will not like what will happen.
I fear.
As for that security, that chief security man, let me just leave him. Let him be forming handsome and too rich that he will not go out and go and walk like his fellow men. He is here fighting us. If that's insulting, he will put it on us. You
get out.
I would make her get out. I will deal with you.
You can't do anything.
I will deal with you. You'll be
down. Carry your big ass.
Don't worry. You are just a little rat where I am.
Whoosh.
You are just a little rat where I am.
Get out.
As for you,
get out.
Cartoon Network.
Get out.
I will deal.
Back here one side.
I will deal.
Back one side. What did
Okay.
you talk? Go deal with me. Go deal with me. Who you be?
How
many powers of you shop when you catch you for body?
Me, I don't get power.
You're a chest.
I don't get power.
Shut up.
Hallelujah.
Shut up.
Hallelujah.
Shut up. Shut up.
I know you received those insults from the girls because of me.
Why would they insult me? Am I their mates? Or is it because I'm working as one of the servants in this palace? Why would they insult me?
It's okay. I blame myself. Maybe I'm not supposed to be here. Maybe I don't belong to the class of girls that are here. I don't know how to swim.
I know. But you not knowing how to swim does not make you less a human. Eh? I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming them on this. You didn't do anything, right?
Thank you for understanding. I know I'm just a poor orphan. I didn't choose myself to be here. I passed the first and second audition because I was able to answer the questions from the elders.
Oh, really? So you know much about this town?
Yes. My father used to tell me a lot about this place. Can I ask you for a favor?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I see you as a friend? As a brother? Can I share my problems with you? Look, even if I don't win the hearts of the prince, I want to join you people and work here. I just want to stay away from my stepmother before she kills me.
Well, you can count on me, okay? Anytime. I will talk to the king about you. I will see if he can employ you as one of the servants here. Even though you did not win, but you need to try your best, okay? Try your best. Do you want me to talk to the prince when he comes back about you?
No, don't do that. I want him to see me in my true self.
Okay.
I don't want any influence on this. If I win, fine. If I don't win, no problem. I pray to God day and night. I'm not desperate about marrying the prince. I just want to leave my home.
No. I see. We are friends, okay? Just count on me anytime. Tell me anything you want. I'll help.
Thank you.
Okay? Be good. Okay. Let's go back.
If I tell you my story, would you promise me you will pray for me?
None. But to come to think of it, why would he go chase you out?
I don't know. Who am I wrong? Even the guard whom I pleaded with to help me call my daughter out so I can talk with her also refused.
Why?
Najum, why? Mom, do I know? I don't know for them. But it's like they said, or he said that he will call us when he needs us.
Nan, this is not right. The way I'm seeing it. How do we even know that our daughter is doing well? That's the problem here. Eh? Honestly, I don't get it. Nani, you have to really do something.
As for that,
I don't want our daughter to lose this thing.
That is true. And as for that, I am sure she is doing well. What if again? Gods of our land will never allow her fail. Our ancestors will never fail her.
Papa, they should not fail us so. My sister Abigail, Irugo, Asaki Beya must be the queen of this land. I can't wait to make sure of it.
Me too. I can hardly wait. Nan, you have a work to do here. Go back, talk to the gods. Nan, you do something. Don't give me all these excuses. God, I want the gods not to disappoint us. Eh?
But I used to tell people, I will reconsult the gods. I will go deeper and find out about Milisibano Pubogo and keep that one.
Trouble. Just see it. Makano give when ever. Mariam na pokwa ma give.
Mama, I enjoy by choice than me. I will find out.
Yeah, Here comes the prince. Here comes the prince. My prince, you're welcome. You're welcome.
My prince.
Wow.
My dream man.
My son, you're welcome. Dad, honestly, I'm used to it.
You're welcome.
How is everything?
Good. Wow.
Wow. They are beautiful, right?
I love what I'm seeing.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Abigail.
Oh. Abigail, you look beautiful. Wow. They're all beautiful.
Oh yes.
I love what I'm seeing.
My prince, you're You're welcome.
Thank you. I love your gap tooth.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my handsome husband.
What's your name?
Oge is my precious name, honey.
Oge. Beautiful name.
The prince of our land. Please, can I just give you a hug?
Dad, you really selected them. Oh, you can say that again. And what's your name?
Oh, my name is Tessie. And I just got back from Canada.
Oh, beautiful. That's good. That's good. Tessie?
I know.
Come on.
Oh,
Yeah.
go back.
Come on, come on. Dad, you really did wonderful. Oh, thank you. They are all beautiful. Son, you're just arrived. Let us go in. There will be time for introduction, okay? Let's go in.
Hey. The prince. The prince.
Let's go.
The prince.
Ogala galanna. 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 Ghosts of our ancestors, we've come again. First and foremost, I want to thank you for all the things you have been doing for us in the past.
Amen.
Thanking you for the ones you are doing presently.
Amen.
And to thank you for the ones you will do in future. What is that?
He said,
any moment from today, the prince of this land will return. We beg you to influence him. Influence him inwardly and outwardly. Chadonia nake be chadonia nakani. Chadonia nihu chadonia nazo. Chanya no kuchanya na miri. Chanya na chanya ni kuku. So influence him that he will have no option than to start loving our daughter. Loving our daughter to the extent that he will get married to her.
What if I talk?
What is that?
He said.
Hey. Yo kuna na mini mbabu na mbe. Jepani mgamga ngotala nunkono. Makona biye jo apa machie yono. When he gets married to our daughter, Ivenge meluno erike. I will kill her.
Can you hear me?
I will kill her.
Can you hear me?
On Mokonaka Munza and her moon, the Kenga or an her joy. Oku nepe man mekolun.
No.
Get me now, quickly. Why not very day and now that's not a big job. I'm much here. You heard like on our work, because you will not judge. Upon any area.
Sianac.
Papa, the knife.
Ogini ga na na so ya ni gini ga mere kan ga buru ebu. Mena ba na beji kito ba ni to.
Ogi igwe.
Mena ba na beji kito ba ni te.
Okedim. Papa. Ogi igwe.
Ezigbo nna. Dikeh. Hey.
Odogudim.
Mama,
I want to go.
Hey, Papa.
Onya nuru odogwu melody.
Aga ma da na we talk am na.
Onya nuru odogwu melody.
Oh my.
Oh my God. My prince.
Oh my. Beautiful. My prince. Yeah. My prince. That's my guy. Wow. Dad, I must say it again. I love what I'm seeing. You did a wonderful selection here. They are all beautiful.
Thank you, my friend.
But I don't want to end up being confused.
Son, there is time for everything. I don't think this is the right time to talk about this. Besides, I've told you that Harry is here to help you with this selection. So you don't have anything to worry about.
Yes, Igwe, you're right. Yes, you're right.
Harry.
My prince. I will help you.
Oh.
Harry, I need salt in this food, okay?
Madam, there's salt in this food.
I wasn't talking to you. Salt, please.
Harry, go and get us salt.
Thank you, Your Royal Majesty.
Yes, sir.
Your Majesty, you know we have not finished the introduction like you said.
And we can actually talk about this later. Let's just eat and enjoy our meal.
Shut up.
You can shut me up. Let's just enjoy our meal.
I hope you are aware that it is a bad table manner eating and talking. You are here for a competition. And like I told you, the king is watching. And you're talking before me?
Thank God I did not talk. I did not say anything. I've not talked.
But you're talking already. Well, you can go ahead and enjoy your meals.
Bon appetit.
Hey. Oh, my prince, cheese.
There's no one.
Juliet.
Mama.
Hey. So you let her come back into this house, eh? You met her when And by the way, why are you crying? Get
Mama, there is problem. Oh. There is problem.
Problem? What happened? Get it here. Talk now! What happened? What happened now?
Mama, I was raped by 2 men.
Hey! Raped? By who?
I don't know them.
My enemies will laugh at me. Ow! Juliet, Menegigini. Menegigini, leave me. Amaka, leave me alone. Amaka. Hey.
I don't know I was going to
So what are you saying? You promised to do something for me. This is the time for you to prove it.
But you didn't do what I asked you to do. Did you? You didn't. How are you expecting me to fall into your trap?
Okay, it's not too late. I can still do it.
You can still do it?
Yes.
Then you have to come to my room tonight because the prince already asked me.
Bring down your voice.
Okay.
What if someone hears us?
He will not hear us. The prince have already asked me who is good among the players, but I've not given him a befitting answer.
He did?
Yes.
Please don't give him any other answer. I am the one to be the queen.
Of course,
right?
you already know. What for you? So
you're going to tell him I'm the perfect
You are
queen?
the perfect match for this game. I told you. Not for you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Make sure you come to my room tonight.
Bring down your voice.
Okay.
You're too loud.
Make sure you come to my room tonight.
Okay.
You understand? In private. The ball is in your court now. Let me go, okay?
Yes,
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Alright.
Don't lock your door.
In private.
Let me see how the king will not allow me in today. Ta! After everything, the moment my daughter becomes the queen of this land, I will show them the stuff I am made of. Because if I fembo, Ude, Denisim, Udensi, Udemba.
Nah, if you go Senegal, Ghana, and come back tomorrow.
What are you talking about? Why? No, why? What is all this? What is all this? I have come to see the prince. Jekowali, when prince can be left. I want to see the prince.
He said you should come tomorrow and do whatever you ought to do when all the elders are around. So you have to start going now.
But Ida, you are not understanding it. Why should Igwe say that? Igwe is trying me. Igwe, he is trying me. This is the second time he is doing this. What is the problem? Carry it there. Give this to a big girl, my daughter. This is eye cream. She forgot it. She uses it every day. Give it to her.
Oh, Abigail, is she your daughter?
Abigail is my daughter.
Sir, you know I'm not supposed to be running this kind of an errand. Igwe may see me.
Okay. For your inconveniences, make sure you give this to her.
It's okay.
Give it to my daughter.
It's okay.
On our board number, when you can so sometimes you can do certain things you're actually not supposed to do. Gaga. Please try and give it to her. She needs it every day.
Okay, I see. Man, I bet now.
Go, just go. But keep wearing food. So we keep on cash. Give it to her. By the time I am done, by the time my charms begin to work, none of them will escape. Let me see how they will reject my daughter from winning. And the moment my daughter becomes the queen of this land, I will show them.
Obigwe, Otosiako, Ngwanu Gige Quere, Ige Quere, Ezibagwa, we heard ye, Amawayo, We heard you, I'm a wine.
Yes, who's there coming?
I greet you.
Yes, greetings.
Take this. A man brought this here and said I should give it to you. He said he's your father.
My father?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Where is your colleague?
She's in the toilet.
Okay. Nobody should know I gave you this.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Rub this on your body before you go to bed. Make sure you don't talk to anyone after rubbing it. Sleep immediately. Then, in the morning, don't wash it off and make sure you hug the prince. He will be yours.
Who was that?
It was one of the guards. He said, the king, yes. The king, I mean, they want to see all of us.
Okay. Are you okay?
You look beautiful. You look amazing.
What's this nonsense for? Huh? Get out from that place!
Get out!
Get up and leave this place! Take her away!
Hey, wait, shush away! Ow! Shush! Get away! Get away!
It's okay. Okay, let the dancing continue.
Of course you will.
I'm so sorry, my parents, okay? They have to leave now. Alright. Ladies, we've come to the end of this session. You have to go and change for the next English version, right? You can go now.
Yes.
Hey. What's your name?
You can leave, please. Go.
Leave! Leave! Why you breaking? Let's go. Oh, that's fine.
You out.
Loose girl. Oh! Oh my days.
No, stop. Listen, you don't have to cry this bad. It's not your fault.
How can you say it's not my fault? I know the prince already hates me.
Oh, don't say that. He doesn't hate you. You need to stop crying. Please don't do this. I beg you, don't.
My stepmother is after me. God, why? Why me? Why me?
Amara, you don't have to cry, okay? Don't cry. Stop crying, please.
Harry, please do what I pleaded with you. I don't want to contest anymore. It's obvious I have bad luck or someone is against me.
No, you do not have bad luck, right? Stop crying. Even if you do not want to contest again, it's fine. You can quit now, right? But stop crying.
I quit. I'll just go in and pack my things.
It's okay.
my God, I'm crying out to you, God. My heart prays for love. Oh my God, I'm crying out to you. My heart.
You're very stupid. Very, very stupid. If not for one thing, I would have given you a resounding slap.
I'm very stupid.
Yes, you are.
Abigail, you dey try me, oh.
Yeah.
Listen, mind the way you insult me in this palace.
If I do, what will you do? Now I'm asking you, if I insult you, what will you do? That I gave the prince a lap dance, how is that supposed to be any business of yours? Like you always say, we are all here for a competition, my darling. Do what you can do to win the game. But let me warn you, because this is the last time I am going to say this. The next time you step on my toes, Doka, what I will do to you in this palace, you won't believe it. I will smack you down so hard. You're a fool. Brother Jesus.
A very big fool. Try it now.
Don't smack me down. Wait a minute. Did you just call me a fool?
A big one.
You want to try me? Hit me. Try it. Hit me. Doka, if not for one thing, what I would have done to you now, you won't believe it. Continue shaking. Obviously, you have Iba. You have malaria. But let me tell you, this is the last time I would accept this nonsense from you. Fool.
Madam Abigail, whatever you think you know, I know it. What you have, I do have it. So don't come here and command me. Are you they mad? You don't craze before. No problem now. Let's wait and see how the end goes.
No, we don't have to wait for the end, my darling, because tomorrow, you girls will know who the head of this game is.
Headmistress. Headmistress.
Cartoon Network. Headmistress. Cartoon Network. Just mistress.
You want you call. Also, ya can nacho.
I'm telling you, can't you see? She's cursed.
I don't think so. I don't think that girl is a bad girl. On the contrary, I think she's under some inferiority complex.
You're right, Igwe. You're right. She's an orphan, and she's already tired of the game. I talked with her, and I must tell you, she's a nice girl.
I don't like her. Listen, I don't want you to do anything that will further dampen her spirit and ego. I've not seen that girl to be a bad girl since she arrived at Palace. But anyway, let's see how it goes. Harry, what is the next report?
Well, for the other girls, I have examined them and
What are you talking about? For God's sake, we all came here for a competition, and if you have a strategy that will help you win, go ahead and use it and quit speaking ill of others.
Please, let's be real. Yes, we came here for a competition, but we are expected to show how we're going to be future queens. Not this rubbish you people are doing here now. It's wrong.
Chika, what part of English language do you not understand? Like, what do you not get from what I'm saying? I just said we came here for a competition. In other words, do what works for you while I do the same, as well as others. Which again implies, if you know a strategy you can use to get the prince, proceed with it and let every other person do what works for them. But then be rest assured the king is watching. Because if you intend to play that pretentious game of yours, you know you have a way of posing as a good girl, but we both know you're nowhere close to it. So before you think of pretending, remember the king is watching and he can tell when someone is real from when they are fake. So spare yourself the embarrassment and be real enough to come up with a strategy that will enable you to win. Alright? That's it. I am going out right now and don't lock the door, okay? I'll be back soon.
Where are you going to this night?
Wait. Am I supposed to answer that? As my who? No, who are you? I will explain myself to you. My mom? Or my dad? Or maybe my prince? Anyway, I'm in a graceful mood today, so I'll do you the favor of responding to that, yeah? I am going to say goodnight to my prince.
What?
Is that also a bad thing? I don't have time for this rubbish. I don't like keeping him waiting, especially because he's expecting me.
Hey, these girls are fast, oh. These girls are fast. Hey, and I'm here. Okay, now don't worry. I'll also go and see the prince. Is he not the prince? I'll go and see him too.
Yes, come in. Who's that?
My prince.
Oh.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. I'm sorry. What's that your name?
Fessy. Fessy, the Canada-based.
Oh, I see. I see.
My prince, I'm sorry if I bothered you.
No, you did not. It's okay.
Okay, I was about to go to bed, but something struck me and I said, I need to see the prince of our land. And that is why I'm here. And also, I want to give you a kiss.
For real?
I don't know if you want it.
No, it's okay.
It's okay?
You know, I mean, that would be very nice of you. You might end up being my wife.
Oh, you know, in Canada, if you want to give a loved one, you are emotionally and romantic attracted to a kiss. I am just going to show you a tip of the iceberg. Who is that?
Who is it?
What do you want? Isn't it late? Isn't it time for you to go to bed? Go and sleep. I mean, your mate is sleeping. I'm with the royal majesty, the prince of our land.
Yeah.
Accurate timekeeper. Our prefect. Now you know time. I know. Oh, my prince.
Hi.
My prince. My prince.
Abigail, right?
Oh, my prince. You also have a retentive memory.
I do.
All my days.
Oh my God.
Oh, how you doing?
My prince, as you can see, I am doing beautifully, amazingly, spontaneously, glowingly good. I am beautiful, my prince. How are you?
Yeah, you look soft.
Hi, my prince. God bless you.
Hello!
Get away! It is rude. It is rude to interrupt the prince and I. We're having a conversation, a romantic conversation. And you just dropped here like a bamba. My prince, you did not tell me you came back with a puppy. Oh, you stupid. You're stupid. My prince, send her away. Send her away.
Oh, it's okay, ladies. It's okay. Calm down.
Oh, get away. Get away. Don't touch it.
Oh, it's okay. That's a golden hair.
Yeah, actually, just wanted to take one.
It's okay.
I
It's
know,
okay.
my
Calm
prince.
down. Okay? I don't wanna be partial here. Okay? Abigail.
My prince.
As you can see, before you patched into us.
Rudely interrupted.
Okay, I was actually talking with Tessie before you came in. Okay? What is going to happen now is this. I am going to give you a wonderful kiss. Go back to your room.
My prince.
Yeah, hold on. I'll give it to you, then you go back to your room. Okay? So come on, take it. Take it. Come on.
You go back to your room, okay? Get away!
It's okay, I'll see you. I'll see you, okay?
Go!
I'll see you.
Go!
My prince, it's okay.
As you can see, before you entered, I was talking.
Yeah, we were talking,
Tessie, okay?
actually. Yeah, we were talking.
Let me send you carry canopy for him. I'll send you get canopy.
Just go.
Don't worry.
Abigail.
We go meet for Robin.
Look at she's so
Abigail.
nice. What's the thing?
My prince.
It's okay.
Get away, y'all!
Prince!
Get away!
My prince.
It's okay.
I don't know what you do with these people. They're so local, so rad. I mean, you should be with me.
It's okay. She's gone. Can we talk now?
Yes, we're
I have seen it. Do you think I'm blind? Look, you don't get to command me about in this palace. By the way, you didn't call me to sweep this place, did you? So why are you even here?
Igwe asked us to guide you people.
Igwe asked you to guide me sweep? Do you think I don't sweep in my house?
Why are you insulting me? Have I done anything bad?
You don't get to talk back at me because we are not even in the same class. I am not a maid. I am the royal guest, the soon-to-be queen. So make sure not to get into my bad book, because if you do, when I become the queen, I'll make your life miserable in this palace.
Okay. I'll let you be Mrs. Future Queen. Well, let me see how that will happen.
Wait. Did she really talk back at me again? Very well then. I have marked her face, and when I become the queen, I swear she will drink her tears. Rubbish. I'm not even sweeping again. Hey! Come rise, watch it. Let me finish sweeping.
Abigail.
My prince.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Very fine.
I can see that.
How are you, my prince?
Good.
Hey, Mom. My prince, I said I should come and give you a hug this morning. Come here. Yes, I know how to do Canada style too. Come here.
Oh.
How do you feel now, my prince?
I feel so good.
I did not hear you. What did you say? How do you feel?
I said I feel good. Abigail.
My prince. You feel good?
Abigail. What is this? You look so beautiful.
Hey! I see.
Is you home?
My prince.
Oh my God. What is this?
Skin like milk.
Abigail.
My prince.
Oh.
Obia.
Abi.
Obia.
Abigail.
Him?
You're so beautiful.
Oh!
Abigail.
My prince. My prince. Obia. Is it getting?
Abigail.
No. Stop. You need to stop and fight me.
Tessie, you need to stop this. Remember the law here.
No, you want to fight me.
Tessie.
You are a big girl. You want to show me you're a big girl? Come and show me that.
Oh, you want me to join this stupidity, eh?
I should join your madness.
I wonder.
No. So that is your plan.
Don't do
No. You think you're a big girl? How Canada girls behave?
Don't do this.
Oh, you should have told me that you are jealous.
that you were jealous that I came back from Canada. Wow.
Tessie.
Wow.
Tessie, remember the law. Don't
Tell me about the law. Don't tell me about the law. No, come fight me now. Come fight me. Hey. You want to fight me? Ask her. Ask this mad dog. You are the mad dog. You're a fucking dog. Idiot. Tessie, don't even take your time. Take your time. Please, let's go cook this. No, come back here. Come back here. Come back here now. And I'll deal with this. You idiot. Animal. You're a fool.
That's what is it?
You're an idiot.
That's what is it?
Fool.
That's what is it?
What is it? What?
I'll report it to the Kingo.
Simple.
I will report it to the Kingo. What's your problem?
Just allow her to finish, then you can go in and do yours.
Keep quiet. Stay off my business. No, you have won now. No, you have won. It's fine. It's okay. Listen, it's okay.
You guys should better take it easy. Nonsense.
Your Majesty, this is all I want. Please do it for me.
Why do you want to resign from the contest?
Your Majesty, it's obvious I have bad luck. My stepmother doesn't want me to succeed in here. Please, let me be one of your royal servants. I don't want to go home.
Harry,
Your Highness.
what do you think?
Amara, we've talked about this before. Why are you bringing it on? Let me tell you, you don't need to quit, right? You need to continue. Do not allow what happened to you to weigh you down, okay?
Amara, please stand up. Go and have a seat. Go and have a seat. Now, I want you to listen to me. I want you to know that nobody will force you to do what you don't want to do, okay?
Oh yes, but please, Igwe, I would want her to continue if possible. Please allow her. Amara, you need to continue, right? No, you need to continue. You said I'm your friend, and you know I will not advise you less, right?
Yes, but with the way things are, someone might get killed in here because of the prince. And already I know he hates me. Please, sir, help me.
Amara, I understand your plight. I understand your pains. You can go. Let me think about this. I'll get back to you through Ari, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, Your Majesty.
I would want her to continue. She's the best girl here.
Are you for real?
I'm serious. How I wish the prince would choose her. She's the best.
The best?
Yes.
Oh? Hold on.
Good morning, my prince. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good.
Hope you had a restful night.
I did. And you?
Great.
You go and come back later. As you can see, I am very busy now.
Okay, yes, I will. I will leave it. I will just return. I came in here to check if you're okay.
Huh?
I will return to check on you later.
Please now, go.
Are you sure you're fine?
He just said he is fine. Didn't you hear him? He said he's fine. So take your little self, turn around and go back to the room.
Abigail, how did you get in here?
How did you know? You're asking me how I got. I flew. I used plane and landed here. You're asking me how I got here. For your information, I am here and I am freely here. There is nothing you will do about it. Lel, Dibiali said use the place. War coat.
Are you stupid? Do you know how much I got this blazer?
Shut up, how much did you put? As not blazer, which blazers? Cartoon Network, Diego, but proper blazers, opera blazers, and kosumble, coat, suit and blazers joined together. He came to seduce Prince. Please go outside. He said you should leave. Shush away.
What is this?
Get away.
Come. Was it me that Harry didn't tell him about me again?
Are you still standing here? Ikanaiba, they said you should go now.
Harry, thank you so much for the advice. I'll do exactly what he said I should do. Though I know I'll end up here as a maid, but the truth is, I don't want to go home.
Amara, whichever way it turns out, I am sure you'll be happy at the end. Because you are a good woman. Oh yes, you're a good person. If I had money, I would have said, let me marry you.
Oh my goodness, you're so funny. Is this a proposal or what?
Is that why you're laughing at me? Because I don't have money?
You have money, oh. What has money got to do with this? Listen up. If you ask me to marry you, I will say yes.
Really? Even when I'm still a security officer in this palace?
I'll be working here as a maid, so we can both save money together.
Wow. Sounds interesting. It's encouraging. Or is it because you want to leave your father's house?
No, it's because I like you. Harry, you are humble, you are kind, you are nice, you are caring, you are hardworking. Look, it's not easy to see someone like you working as a security man. It shows that you are very humble.
Harry, call to me right now. I want to speak to you.
Now you didn't see that I'm talking to someone?
Who is the someone? Harry, have you lost your senses? I'm very upset right now, so I need you to talk to me. So come along.
Hey, shut up! Are you okay? Do I look like your boy or what? Are you mad? Idekeko? Eh? Don't repeat yourself again. Did you hear what I said? Don't repeat yourself. Don't even try to give me that look. Nonsense. Amara, let's get out of here. Let's leave here. Okay, talk with the MC. You want to talk to Harry, right? Talk with Harry then. Let's go.
Harry. You are playing with fire. I will expose you. I am not afraid of anybody. I know they see person face. Let her try this thing again. This girl.
Hey, what nonsense. Is she mad? You would have beaten her blue and black.
You know now. You know. It's because we're in this house. I'm still focused on my target. I don't want to get evicted now. Oh, you think if we're outside, I would have let her talk to me like that? It's not possible.
Oh, you would have fought her.
I beg, if I don't want to fight. Let me take her back first. That girl is mad. She's crazy. She's crazy.
Stupid girl. Why didn't you fight her so that you both will be expelled for me to stand the absolute chance of becoming the prince's wife? Anyway, we shall see.
It is about time I show these people the stuff I am made of. Harry wants to change it for me. But first of all, I will change it for him. I'll go to the Igwe and I'll report him to him.
Harry is a very stupid boy. He has deceived me and now he wants to move over to Amara. No. Harry. Nobody will deceive me. Nobody will use me this way. Ooh la 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 la! Wow! Here comes the future queen of this land. Whoever wants to die should go and die. If they want to jump into the lagoon, let them jump into the lagoon. Anything they want to do, let them do. But in their next life, they should recognize the fact that there are people who run this town. Ow! Oh my god. I don't even know what to say. Headmistress. Am I the one you're making those snide comments at? No, am I the one? How now? Anyway, don't worry. I'm not gonna waste my saliva on someone like you. I know you're frustrated. You're so desperate that it's showing all over you. Yeah. But I'm not gonna waste my mouth on you. You have done your best, right? No problem. It's time for me to do mine. And when I'm done, it will be showing in your face. Cartoon Network. Not joke you did. Listen, let me tell you. At this point in time, I can actually tell the prince to send you away from this palace. You know how it works. Don't try me. Don't even try me. You hear me? Just look at who is talking. You can't try it. You can't do anything. Abigail, just hold on. Calm your big butt down. Okay. When I am done with my plan, when I don't finish this plan, you will see now. It go clear. It go clear. Yeah. So, Adira, I'm waiting for the plan. Let's see what you will bring to the table. No problem. I'm waiting for your plan, mommy. No bother. My goodness, this is amazing. I can't even believe I have the prince all to myself. Until you make it come out from the bedroom, I want bath.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Are you going, mom? Hey, baby. Come. Tell your mother I am going to the palace.
Papa. Palace Ozokwa. Papa, Igwe will disgrace you. Igwe get table.
He asked us to come. Madam ha bonki he said some girls may be leaving the palace today.
Hey, Papa.
Let me just go there.
Did he tell you the girls that will be leaving the palace?
No, he did not tell me. But are you afraid? Why should you be afraid?
Papa, my heart is skipping, sister.
But why should your heart skip? Your sister is safe. What if you give me one nigga one? Your sister is very, very safe. And I'm going to say you hate your Lord. No, you learn him at with what I have done, your sister is safe. Nothing will happen to her. What I have done has worked and is still working. So she is very, very safe. She will never be among those that will leave the palace.
You see?
No, in fact, your sister is not coming back here again. Wakanga, let me go. Tell your mother, wherever you go.
Papa, okay.
The king has been watching every of your moves. Like I told us before, those that are not doing well will be evicted before the end of the contest. And today, I want to announce to us that some of you here seated have performed far, far below expectations. And so today, you will be evicted from the contest. Hurry.
Your Highness.
Over to you.
Thank you, Your Highness. Well, ladies, here with me are the names of the two people that will leave this palace. Having found them not worthy of being in this contest because of their immoral acts in this palace. When I call your name, please stand. Okay, Okoro, stand. Can you stand?
Stand.
Udo Kawandu, can you stand?
So preposterous.
Can you stand?
But Your Majesty, I did not do anything bad.
Hey, hold on first. I'm not yet done. Close your mouth.
Igwe, please.
Close your mouth. Shut up.
I will tell you.
Both of you will leave this palace today.
No, Igwe, please.
Today.
Igwe, there's a mistake somewhere.
I will die. If I leave this palace, I will die.
You have overstayed your welcome in this palace. The king has been watching every of your moves. Frolicking with Harry here will not make you marry the prince. And you, Ogi,
Your Majesty.
sleeping with one of my bodyguards will neither take you anywhere.
You are so loose.
The king has been watching all your moves. Those guys are here for a reason. How could you expect to become queens of this land after sleeping with other men? How do you explain it? Where does it happen? Harry,
Your Highness.
make sure they take everything that belongs to them and leave this palace in the next 20 minutes. I will not repeat myself. I have spoken.
King has spoken. She's so big. Get out! You get to go. Get away! Go! Salute! Go!
Hey, whoa, Cartoon Network. So this was the stupid plans you told me you had. See your life. No, see your full life now. When I told you that you were too far away from me, come close. You see, Mama, the form sharp girl. See where you ended. Backpacking. Abigail, please. I'm not ready for this today. You don't get any time when you're ready for anything, my sister. Nobody ready, so you go today. Chai. Do oh? Sorry. You know what? Just pack your bag and leave the palace. Pack your load and go. But not to worry, you know I'm a very nice person. I am kind. When I become the queen of this palace, I can as well do you the favor of employing you as one of my maids. You know, you can hold my shoes, my bags, or even wipe my ass when I'm done from the Hey, yeah. Came with the same bag, live with the same bag, my dear. China, you won't wear coats.
Babe, how could you do such a thing? Eh? What made you feel like those guys would have been of any help? Look at.
Hi. I was stupid. For the first time in my life, I agree that I was stupid. I allowed that fool to brainwash me into thinking he was close to the prince and can influence his decision to choose me as his queen, and I gave myself away just like that.
Lies. They were all lies. I knew from the very first day I stepped my foot in here that they were liars. All scam. Eh? Just look at how you're living. Disgrace. If you had even lost, it would have been better. At least you would live with your pride and dignity intact. But see now. Eh? Sorry. It's a pity.
This is the biggest mistake of my life. I can't believe I, of all people, did this. I wish this is a dream. I wish this is a dream. I don't even know whether I should shout or cry or I don't know what to do.
Sorry. It's a pity.
Hey!
Just look at.
This is too much for me.
Take it easy now. You cannot be shouting in my palace like this. Sorry. You cannot be shouting in Igwe's palace like this now. I've already seen the future. I know I'll be the queen. I'll win. So don't worry. When I win, I'll remember you. At least we have a bond together. So even if it's just maid or assistant cook, we already have chief chef.
That's enough! The fact I made a mistake is not a pass for you to insult me. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. It's not your fault.
See who I am trying to help. Stay here. Don't go. Guards! Guards, your queen is calling you. Nonsense. I'm trying to find a way to make things better for you when I'm queen. You're shouting nonsense. Rubbish. She feel like me bogie after all your shouts. Guards, she does not want to go. Nonsense.
Your Highness, this is very bad. I must say.
How could they do such a thing in the palace?
To say the least, this is absurd. It is totally unacceptable. How do you explain it? That after sleeping with other men, they still have the effrontery. They desire to become queen of this land. How? How do you explain it?
It is never done anywhere at all.
Not in this land.
Impossible, Igwe. Abomination, not in this kingdom.
Sometimes I laugh at them. How would they know that I've already seen someone for me?
Don't tell him. My prince, if you have seen someone, why not tell us?
No. Certainly not here. Oh yes. My prince.
Igwe.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you.
My king, the girls are ready to go now. Do you have anything for them?
Let them go. Nothing for them. Tell one of the guards to take one of the cars to take them to the village square.
Okay.
They will find their way from there.
Okay, I will do that. Thank you.
Igwe, how will they bury them?
Anyway, Igwe, the whole idea of selecting a wife for your son is a good one. Very, very good idea.
Very good one. And on that note, it's a good one. And on that note, let me ease myself.
We are not ease
Let me ease myself before the ease myself. I'll be with you soon.
Every time ease yourself. He drinks a lot of money.
I was looking for you. I want to see how you chick.
I hope everybody is fine.
Everybody is fine.
Okay,
all fine.
I'm fine.
Yes. Fine. How is it called? What I gave to you? I hope it's working.
Yeah, that thing is working perfectly. Your daughter is winning, Papa. I'm so happy.
Yes, I knew it. I knew it. That Wunda Jana will never disappoint you.
No disappoint.
Yeah. I know we should be hopeful.
We all should be more than hopeful, Papa. The prince doesn't want to see anybody with his eyes except me. As it stands, if they do the selection today, your daughter is already queen of this land.
This is indeed a good news, my daughter.
Thank you.
Good news indeed.
Just go home.
Tell me.
I don't want to spend more time here. I have to trick the king.
Okay.
To see you. When I get home, I will break the good news. Your mother, your sister, they will hear this.
Papa, tell them to start getting ready. They should start practicing their catwalk.
We should start celebrating.
Let them buy material, red and white. Come on, the day.
Okay, just go so that I can go back quickly. Okay. I'll see you when you come out.
I'll see it. Let me go. Touch me. I am taking my queenly steps now. We move.
To pronounce the winner.
What?
Yes.
Who is your choice?
It's none of your business.
It's my business. I want you. I want you, my prince.
No.
It's what I want. It's what I want. My prince. My prince, please. Please.
Stop.
My prince.
You heard him.
Oh, you heard him.
You heard exactly what
said.
He has made his choice. If I were you, he has made his choice. And that choice is me.
My prince,
I am bigger than you are. So now you see.
Please. My love is here.
My prince, you can do this to me.
Hey.
My prince, I want you. Please, I want you.
Mommy,
my prince. Oh, okay, fine. I don't want to get you angry, but
My love is here. My love is here.
Yes. I am going to waste your neck. Kill you.
Stop.
My prince.
I want to give my love a good night kiss.
Oh, my prince. I am going to deal with you.
Let's go.
I will deal with you. Get away. My prince. Get away. I want you. I'm gonna deal with you.
You deal with you.
Nonsense. That girl is so stupid. So stupid. My prince! My prince! Prince!
You enjoy the meal?
Yes, you will. This is so nice.
Who must have prepared it?
Your Highness, here's your juice.
Oh, thank you. Who prepared this food?
It was Amara.
Wow. What? Who? This doesn't look like a food that she would prepare. Like the one I ate yesterday morning was nothing to write home about. Who did that one?
It was Tessie.
Oh, that one? It's okay, you can go.
Thank you.
Son, why don't you like this girl, Amara? She's a good girl. Ari is gradually getting along with her.
I do not like her. Igwe, I do not like her. She's not my kind of woman. Yeah, I've made my choice already.
You really think so? So, what is the next thing to do now?
Abigail, I am warning you. Stay away from me in this palace, please. Yeah? Auntie Canada, I tell you, say I no bath this way. Which one they spit from my body? You want bath me? Eh? Look, let me tell you. Whether you like it or not, the prince has chosen me as his queen to be.
Sorry.
So if I were you, I would deal with it. Go into my room, pack my bags and go back to Canada.
Hey, this is enough. Please, the both of you should stop it. Stop it.
Oh, please, shift your way. Your big cap, carry cap, like umbrella, they go settle person. As for you, take your time. Stay away from me until your days has expired in this room. Don't you ever talk to me. Me loser. Who is the loser? Don't open my No, come now. Who is the loser? Yes! Yes! You remove my car! Yes! No! Go! Stop! Yes! No!
What is wrong with both of you? No, what has come over you? How many times have I warned you? How many times?
My king, Abigail here is not a fault. She is my precious woman. But you see this Tessie here? Is it Wisiaki? She's the trouble here.
My prince, how can you say that about me? She is your royal majesty, the king of a prestigious land. She caused it. She started it. She slapped me and I had to slap her back.
My king, I did not started anything. She caused it. She pulled my wig from my head. My king, you can ask the maids. They were there. They were around.
You also pulled my wig. I just reciprocated, my prince, my king.
You see what I told you? That girl is very arrogant. And I want her to leave the palace now.
Very well then. Tessie, your days in the palace are over. You are hereby disqualified from this contest. You have 20 minutes. I repeat, 20 minutes to pack everything that belongs to you and leave the vicinity of the palace.
The prestigious king of our land. It wasn't my fault. I am really sorry. She started it. What?
Highness has spoken. You may leave the palace now.
They said you should leave. Shut up, leave! Shut up!
Now you have 20 minutes. You have 20 minutes and your time starts counting now.
Igwe biko no. Igwe biko. Amu Igbo. Na swap ofuma.
When in Igbo?
Amu espoto Igbo. Igwe biko no. Biko.
Now will you get out of my presence?
Okay.
Get out!
Okay. My king!
And you, Abigail, you have to comport yourself. If you must make it to the finals.
My king, I'm very sober. Very, very sober.
Abigail, you may leave us now. Abby.
Thank you, my king.
That is true. Why are you here? Why did you return?
Papa, don't bother yourself. Don't worry. When I see your daughter has made it, she has made it, Papa. The king said that the 3 ladies who made it to the grand finale will be invited to the village square on Saturday. And then the final pronouncements will be made. All those things are just for formality's sake, Papa, because as it stands, your daughter is the queen of this land.
You are the queen of
I
this
am
land.
the queen of this land.
Abby.
Queen. Abby, yo.
So you are telling me you are the chosen one?
Papa, I am the chosen one.
Hey! See, may God be praised.
No, don't worry yourself.
Queen,
By the time
queen.
I start ruling.
Oh shit.
Oh, you're wise. Papa.
Papa.
Yeah, all this is village.
I can't wait.
Which day start on it?
Go and get me water. Go and get me water.
Go and bring water for the queen. Get water for the queen.
Can water.
Thank you.
No.
Abby.
Papa.
What have I done wrong? Should I run away from my father's house?
You can fly away. You can fly away. I don't care. Are you not back?
Must come back.
You think you are going to win the heart of the prince? You went there and painted me blue, black. In fact, you painted me like a bad woman. Now, look at the way they just passed you like a wedding. You want to come into this house or where?
Mama, why are you wasting your time with this fool? Because the more you're talking, you are aggravating. She's aggravating me too. Carry this your useless bag and get inside. Did you hear me? Go inside and make yourself useful. You're back now. Your suffering continues. This
This is the beginning. You have not seen anything, no?
Get inside.
You have not seen anything, Amara. Shebi.
Get inside and continue with your house chores. Go and continue with your house chores. If not from what is what I saw, allow you to enter the marry the prince like this. Idiot. I'm okay.
Mama, this here. Let me see her the way she. Let me see her go and be the prince. Papa, this house. Let me see her leave.
We will laugh at it.
Today will go down as one of the greatest days in the annals of our history. I want to thank you all for gathering here today. We have all gathered here because of something. It is the custom and tradition of our people that the prince of this land must marry a wife from this community. But my son, the prince, and the princess have lived all their life abroad. So the prince does not know who to marry. That is why I have organized this contest, so that the prince can make his choice of wife from among them. Those of us standing here, some of you will still remember that the prince and the princess left the shores of this country when they were barely 7 and 5 years. That was when I had a problem with their mother. And from there, their uncle took them out of this country to Ghana, where they stayed until they have now become adults. As I speak to you, I know that it is going to be very difficult for any member of this community to say that he knows the prince or the princess. Am I right or wrong? So that is why we are here. We have gathered here for this important function. The maidens, they have all done well. But today, the prince is going to select the woman that he loves. The maiden that has tickled his fancy. The one that his heart desires. The one that is going to be the next queen of this kingdom. Permit me therefore to present to you the prince of this kingdom and the princess. Oh, here comes the prince.
Hurry.
Mama.
Well, I know this is going to be a surprise to all of you. Prince,
My king.
over to you.
Thank you, my king. I greet you all, my people. I have seen your faces. I know that this will be shocking to many of you. Well, my father, the king, my beautiful sister, and I planned this to shock many of you and to veil the true nature of human. Dad, are you sure this will be possible?
I know it's going to work. Basically because none of the villagers knows the both of you. Now, this is what we are going to do. I am going to take your luggage to the palace. And later, both of you will come to the palace as people that has come to work. Yes. We are going to make this work. Now, one thing is very, very important. Under no circumstance should the both of you call me daddy. Oh, yes. Now, listen, I know why I am saying this. I'm saying this because even the walls have ears. Another very important thing that both of you will do is cut down your accent. Tone down your English so that they will know that you've actually come to work in the palace. Now, one very important thing that you will do again is to create dramatic scenarios that will look as though you are quarreling. Yes. So that the people will not suspect that you're siblings. Yes. Having said that, I want to reassure you that I have made every arrangement down, believing that it's going to work 100%. So let's see how it goes.
So then I'm getting being made.
I just hope this works. I hope this works.
It's going to work.
It's kind of it's strange to me.
It's going to
It'll
work.
work. I think it'll
Right?
work. I think it'll work. Thank you, Daddy.
So, once again, you're all welcome.
Thank you. Yes, my people. This is how we got to where we are today. With the events of the past days, I, Prince Harry of Umuoba Kingdom, has successfully gotten the love of my life. Please step back. Back. The love of my life is this charming, elegant young lady standing here, Amara.
Hey! What the hell? My love! No! Take her away from here! Your Majesty, I can't take this!
Sister, please don't do this to me!
My love!
Sister!
Your Majesty, you deceived me! You deceived my daughter!
I did not deceive you.
You deceived my daughter!
I did not. Your daughter fell in love with someone that I paid to act as my son. So how have I gone wrong?
I will never take this!
There is nothing you can do.
No!
Please, supply us the music. Play the drums!
My love, please don't die!
I would not take it. I won't take it. Ha! But this is bad. Onye father ya kwuo na ọ bụ arụ. Igwe deceived us.
Hey, baby. My baby. It's okay. Huh? It's okay. I am here for you 100%. Okay?
Who is this ghost sitting beside me?
What are you asking?
Are you mad?
I am not a bomb.
When if I slap you, who are you calling baby?
You want to slap your love?
Hi.
Huh?
How did I get into this? How did I manage to get into this? Eh?
Babe, you love me and I love you too.
Let that love kill you. Let it kill you.
In fact, let your love kill me. I will take it. Eh? You know that song they sing, killing me softly with your love. Kill me with your love.
Mokem, Semapo, get out from this place. Mama, tell this man to leave here.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Shut up. Olodo. Get out. You're not a man. Get out from here. If you know where they brought you from, start going.
I'm not going anywhere.
Huh?
I am not going anywhere.
Bye-bye first.
What's that?
Yeah.
I know you love me.
Says who?
Says me. Mama, I said it.
See, if you know where you came from, start going. I will fight you.
We die here.
You and who will die? You're not a man.
We die here.
You want Ochi? You want Ochi? Okay, we'll die here. Wait for me, I'm coming.
What time? Cook definitely love.
Don't touch me.
No.
You want it?
Mommy, that love is blind. Cut my head with that.
Mama, baby, see.
Cut it with that machete.
Cut off your head.
Yes, if love is involved, cut it. I'm in love with your daughter, and nobody will stop it.
You're not in love.
Mama, you've not
You
heard of
don't
that song.
know your eyes
You've
are
not heard
clear.
of that song. Killing me softly with your love, child. Changing my world with your
Which word? In my word.
You people should stop this, baby. Come. Baby.
Mama, no, she's not in love with you. Go.
Are you in love with me too?
Stop
this now, baby. Come.
Go now, go leave this
Stop
place.
this now. I love your daughter.
Sister, come on, Arome.
What's happening?
Arome.
What is it now?
Sister, do you know that Igwe has been deceiving you all? What is why?
How? The person you call the prince is not the prince. It was the person you call the chief guard. When you sing the joy of the real prince.
Ah! Kind of talk is that? Stop that nonsense.
Sister, do you know that the one that you called Abigail was not chosen? It is the one called Amara. She's the chosen one.
It's a lie.
Sister, you can go to Omoka and see things for yourself. Abigail fainted and they carried her out. Oh God.
Okay, I am not going.
Leave my house.
I am not going anywhere. I am not leaving your house without your daughter. She's my lover, and I love her too.
So,
yes.
So, you will come to my house to tell me that you love my daughter, and my daughter must love you too.
Are you the one to tell me how to love?
You said, Baguma.
Eh?
Yeah. Get out of here!
Love and Bakagomi.
Go out of this place,
Papa, I am going to set that. What? A deity that cannot differentiate between the real prince and an imposter is not a prince. It's a West.
Abigail, don't say anything. Abigail.
Come, let's go. On the yellow. Abby, ow! Sister, Abby. My love. She needs my love. Abby. What am I doing here?
You should turn into me.
Hey! Who are you people?
Hey! What is happening? Hey! What is something, Mama?
What am I
doing? No. Be cool. Forgive us. We don't mean to hurt you. Eh? Please. I don't know when I was doing what I was doing because but I don't want forgive. Because sister, please remember you're my sister. I didn't know what I was doing. Please forgive us, please.
Madam Aiko, you didn't do well at all. You didn't do well. So because she's not your biological daughter, is that the reason you wanted to make life miserable for her? Do you know that this beautiful young lady resolved to stay in the palace, regardless of whatever that comes, instead of coming back to you? You didn't do well. At all.
I am sorry. It is the devil's work. It's the devil's work. Oh,
Harry.
Oh.
Please take me out of here.
Hey, Mama, please take her. Take her, please. Mama, we are family. You don't want to leave us. Take me out of here. Please.
If I tell you my story,
Listen to them and forgive them. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. Please. Okay? Please. Forgive them. Forgive them. I know they didn't do well. Because she's not your biological daughter, do not give you the right to treat her anyhow. No one knows tomorrow. Anything can happen tomorrow. So when you're treating any human around you, be careful. Treat people right. Don't do anyhow to people. Because anything, God can change anyone. God can use anyone. Look at her life today. Married to a prince of the land. And you will not change it. Nothing will change it. So this serves as a lesson to you. Be careful. Be careful when you're dealing with people.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
This is unbelievable. How could this man go this far?
I knew it. I knew that the man is so mean.
Son, you see what I was telling you? If we had not hired the services of Kelvin here to play this game, they would have used it on you. That is the implication.
Your Highness, those people are very mean. They even have shrine in their house, a very big old.
Dad, that's so bad. I mean, that's how Abigail turned imbecile.
Well, that is no skin off my nose. I think they got what they wanted. I would rather say this is nemesis for them. But whatever it is, I'm going to send our money to our family members. Maybe it will suffice for our medical treatment. Meanwhile, Kelvin, I want to say thank you. You have done very well. I appreciate what you've done. First thing tomorrow morning, or as soon as I leave here, I'm going to settle you. Thank you for a job well done.
Thank you. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
My prince, my prince.
My prince. Your Highness.
sọsọ ya ka na-achọ odozie bayo obi igwe odozi aka ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ị ga-ekwerere ezigbo agwa bụ ihe eji ama nwanyị ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ezigbo agwa bụ ihe eji ama nwanyị ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ị ga-ekwerere ezigbo agwa bụ ihe eji ama nwanyị ezi nwanyị dị ụkọ sọsọ ya ka na-achọ odozie ebe anyị obi igwe odozi akụ ezi nwanyị dị ụkọ sọsọ ya ka na-achọ odozie ebe anyị obi igwe odozi akụ ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ezigbo agwa bụ ihe eji ama nwanyị ngwanụ gị ga-ekwerere ị ga-ekwerere